Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video. And in this video, I want to talk about an incredible thing that happened right now. Although most of the altcoins are in big and red, but look at GMT, Stepn. Pumped nearly 17% today. So let's check out the coin. Here we start on the daily chart, and you can see Stepn broke out perfectly out of this triangle and it's pumping right now like crazy. It went already to nearly $3. It's right now at $2.89.90. So the previous all-time high was here at $3.09 and the price target of the pattern is at $3.36. For everyone who took already a trade, congratulations. If you haven't took a trade or if you missed this trade opportunity, don't FOMO in, just like me. I missed this unfortunately also, but I was in a cinema with my kids, so this is not unfortunately. That was a good time, good family time, so you cannot look all the time at the charts. Therefore, here is a little bit music in the background, so hopefully the sound is pretty not so bad. So what should you do right now? If you're in a trade, that's good for you. If you're not in a trade, let me zoom in the 4 hourly, then I would actually wait if a retest will happen. So if you see a retest, that could be a good possible for an entry. So, but just don't FOMO in. Then you will definitely get wrecked. Guys, ladies, that was just a very short quick update because I came out of the cinema. I saw what happened here at Stepn, and I want to update you as fast and quick as possible. If you want to trade, check out my links in the description. You can trade this on Phoenix and Bybit. You would support me with that. I would really appreciate it. And also, if you want to support me, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, and leave a thumbs up if you like my content. Guys, ladies, thank you very much. And as always, no financial advice, always do your own research, and never trust anybody except yourself because it's your money. Peace out.